In our previous tutorial series, we introduced you guys the functions of launch EVM324 and also demonstrated the EV battery cell equalizing operations in detail. But many of you guys have sent messages asking how to charge and discharge your EV batteries. So today, we will break down the complete operations process of charging and discharging for the EVM324 step by step. Standard charging and discharging operations are critical for EV battery maintenance. They effectively restore battery performance, ensure charging safety, and extend service life. When a vehicle is parked for a long time, battery self-discharge can lead to low power, which may trigger the battery protection system, resulting in charge failures and reduced range. However, we can reactivate battery performance and restore range through multiple charging and discharging cycles by using our EVM324. Now, let's get into the demo. First, connect the main unit to power and turn it on. Make sure the positive and negative poles are correctly connected. Then, connect the main unit to the EV battery. Then, go select the toolbox and hit battery charger and discharger. Then, hit start and go connecting the device. Choose the charging mode. Make sure you follow the safety standard and wiring instructions. Now, we can set the parameters. First, select the battery type. You can find this information on the vehicle nameplate. Next, set the target pack terminal voltage. Then, set the target current. The EVM324 supports up to 40 amps. After that, select the cutoff current. Next, set the alarm cell voltage difference. Once everything is ready, tap Start and the device will begin. You can also select the discharging mode, just like the previous steps. Set the parameters separately, then start discharging. First, select the battery type. Next, set the target cell voltage. Then, set the target current. The EVM324 supports up to 20 amps. After that, select the cutoff current. Next, set the alarm cell voltage difference. Once everything is ready, tap Start and the device will begin. And this tool lets you run multiple functions at the same time. You can diagnose the battery while charging or discharging. It gives you real-time feedback on battery abnormalities. This helps you better monitor the battery status and improve the maintenance efficiency. That's all about the operations process for charging and discharging with our launch EVM324. Drop a comment below with your vehicle model to see if you guys can use our all-in-one battery equalizer charge and discharge device. Also, don't forget to like and share for more EV battery tips and practical demos. My name is Diana. See you next time. Bye-bye.